I have loved Spider-Man ever since I was a kid. From comics to movies, he has always been my favorite superhero. So when I saw that your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man was coming out, I knew I had to create something special.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Today, I'm making an artwork inspired by the new series. Let's get started. One of the things that immediately caught my attention about this new series is its animation style. It looks like a mix of 3D and 2D, making it feel like a moving comic book. I really want to capture that unique look in my artwork. For the pose, I'm going for something dynamic and full of energy. After all, Spider-Man is all about movement and agility. Now that the sketch is ready, I am using an ink pen to get that thick and thin line quality that makes the characters in the show stand out. The contrast in the line weight adds depth and makes the drawing feel more alive.
Sound right, boys.
The colors in this series are very bold, solid and opaque. So to match their style, I'm using my alcohol-based markers. They blend smoothly and get the job done really fast, which is perfect for this kind of look. The reds and blues need to be vibrant, and I'm making sure to keep the shadows clean and crisp to maintain that animated feel. Now it's time to add this final detail. Instead of the classic suit, I have drawn Spider-Man's homemade suit because that's always been a cool part of the origin story. A few subtle texture details here and there really bring everything together. And with that, the artwork is complete. I would love to hear what you think about this new series. Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such projects. See you in the next one.